wasn't jumping up. He was kind of like, I'm going to get a little bit better. We got the 200s going on in the background as the weight throws are taking place.
Now here is Kenneth Ikeji, final throw of this first round of throws. He's all but assured getting into finals.
That's a big throw. That's a big throw. You know, if it comes down to that point, because you're going to find out the 200 is going to be so late in the competition. But in the Ivy League, he would have to race and he'd have to perform well to finish in the top 6. So you kind of have to go back and kind of see like how bad is the injury? Is he going to be able to toe the line or not?
First throw in the final round for Kenneth Ikeji. Not quite as charged up after the throw we saw. So he comes shy of what he did a little bit earlier, and now the leader, Ikeji. Broke the Ivy record on his third throw, a record that had been held by Adam Kelly of Princeton, and then went ahead and broke it again on his next throw.
There's a crowd of masses.
Everyone wants to see what this guy does.
That's even bigger.
Ikeji, can he make it 3 for 3 in record throws?
I'm not necessarily sure where that line, you know, what the lines that are on the throws facility are. But I'm guessing that's probably close to 25 meters.
Now the drama is waiting for the distance. And let's see where it comes in. Everyone's waiting nervously.
We get the final checks.
24-39. Wow. Jaw-dropping. 80 feet and a quarter inch for Ikeji.
And that is a new NCAA lead.
The best in the NCAA. No one's thrown it farther this season, and it's the third consecutive throw that Kenneth Ikeji has broken the all-time Ivy record.
The emotion is so amazing. I love that. That is so incredible.
In penalty minutes per game, and we know how dangerous Harvard's power play can be on the other side. Guys, this is the first power play of this series.
Earlier, they had actually kind of settled into more of a 5-on-5 game recently, but well, this is a huge moment for UMass. And can they take advantage? Down by a goal with Fine going to the penalty box.
UMass is 1 for 3 on the power play tonight. Full seconds.
Well, you don't want to be prone to too much hyperbole, but I mean, this almost feels like the whole ball game, despite the way this is. Harvard, remember, killed off a 5-minute major for UMass earlier, and now, what a chance.
Yeah, no power play goals last weekend. Only the third time all season, Justin, that they've gone back-to-back games without a power play goal. Never all year did they go 3 straight games. So if they don't get a power play tally here tonight, that would be the first time all season.
And we'll take a look at the stats matchup. Harvard coming in, allowing 4 goals per game on the other side. Northeastern really great on defense once again this season.
Yeah, and again, we can look at the stats here, but you can guarantee that both of these teams, they're not looking at the stat sheet. They're just looking at the opportunity that they have to go play a championship game in the TD Garden.
Let's take a look at the full schedule of events for tonight. We'll start off with the final heat of the 1650 freestyle. We have 3 heats running a little bit earlier. The winner is expected to come out of the heat that we show you in just a few moments. We will get the conclusion of the 3-meter diving competition as well. And as always, finish out with the 400 freestyle relay. Well, we told you about that historic swim from Matt Fallon a little bit earlier, and now we'll go to our on-deck reporter, Adam Giardino, with a little bit more.